Good evening, my fellow brothers and sisters. All respect art na-ekwu. It's still honest, respect art. Ile ebe anya n'iru na ị ga-afụ na as in, I'm surrounded with Obi Adenjo. My face too is covered with Obi Adenjo. Because Obi Agbako m njọ. What have you not been doing? Ị na-anya that picture on the other side na ị ga-afụ na mmadụ akpụrụ ọkụ. Na ya aka ya na ụkwụ ya na ị ga-afụ na mmadụ akpụrụ ọkụ. What have you not been doing? Train up a child in the way that he should go, and when he grows, he will not depart from it. What is that? Casey Fename. See, I on my camera to fire you the Ozoku Bondo. Because I'm not going by Pompo Akavia Reverend Father. I'm trying to fire you the Ozoku Bondo so that you can use your elephant umbrella, decoder the DSTV, so you can use your as an I'm trying to fire the Lara Skumbusu Blanga J. Came out was open name. In how that? Kabe what more as to say, respect art. In how that because this is Mutrim na ha, Utrim na la lubin nam, obedi Hawaiian. Kiri, Madi Beminabo, Kaperoko, Suka Hoko, Wahoko, Mr. Night. Wahoko. What are placement? What are placement? Give all the their mom. Lozus cool many times. Lozus have said it many times. Train up a child in the way that he should grow. And when he grows, he will not depart from it. I tell them all due to also bad influence corrupts a good manner. The top of yesterday, so but you guys should decode the DSTV that if Ojo no debate if Abominaro is not good in the sight of Olodumare. Abominaro is not Poponki in the sight of Olodumare. Decode this thing. They get. What with them? So I'm not showing my advice to my fellow youths out there. More and apply caution, more and see danger and apply caution, more and apply caution and imbibe the word danger. Now that Gina on the code on him, more and apply caution, more and know they go by two hands, more and know they claim that shoe that sharp, more and know they claim ahu, more and know they claim what's in an OB. One and know go by Maconda, one and know they go by that shoe that sharp. Now that be you as in you talk your blow must regate time when I make a man. I make a man, no problem, Otom make a man, and I won't be able to come there and I can't my vibration. Yeah, I'm not vibrator. Your blade Bria Tinian boogie, put it in your shoulder so that anyone can get to buy. It's in any easy bring easy, a claim on a Maconda, and a commodore bubble. You know the lake bubble. When I own a babu now, I got the army. Why did you get the army? Because my youths out there, more na apply caution, more na imbibe caution and see what get danger because I am sure you go.